We're just continuing with Halachot and Siman Taf Ayin Gimel. We were in Sivav in the middle where we're talking about now Yachatz, which means that you take the middle matzah and you break it into two. And what you do is you put part of it to the mesubim to keep it for the afikomen, and then afterwards what you're going to do is you put it underneath the mapah. The other half, what you're going to do is you're going to put it between the two matzot shlemot. So you have the top matzah which is shalem, bottom matzah which is shalem, and the middle matzah which you just broke it. We know that you break it with your hand and not with. You don't break it with a knife, and also usually they try to do it like the Dalid and the Vav. You come and you break it al pi Kabbalah, but technically what you do is you just break it. There's a special thing to say also in Arabic, which was basically that just like you did Kriyat Yam Suf, so you're breaking here the matzah, you put half of it for the afikoman, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put the other half between the shlemot. You pick up the kiara which has the matzot, and you start saying halachmania. That's when we actually start with the bivhilu, and then they say the halachmania and until the manishtana. Okay, now what happens is that afterwards, right, what you're going to do is yitzavela sirama shulchan, you're going to take it off the table and put it at the end of the table in order that the children are going to come and they're going to start asking whether it's going to be the manishtana. Then it says mozgin lo kos. Right, you're going to come and you're going to pour the second cup in order to find out why exactly the children are going to come and start asking, why are you coming and you're drinking again? Now, and then we're going to start with the concept of the manishtana. There is going to be a machlok between the Rishonim. Where exactly do you come and do you fill up the cup? Do you fill it up before the halachmania, which is the beginning of the magid, or do you fill it up right before the manishtana? So here it's mashma you're doing it right before the manishtana, it's after the halachmania. Right now it says here if you have a child and the child is not a chacham, so the father is going to teach him. If he doesn't have a son, so then the wife is going to ask him the manishtana, and if not, he asks himself. And even Talmidei Chachamim, they're going to ask each other the manishtana. When they start the avadim ayinu, they bring back the ke'ara, they bring back the plate back to the table, right? In order that, because beforehand you took it off in order that they should start asking the questions. Now that they already asked the question, now they're going to come and they're going to read the rest of the Haggadah. When they're going to come and they're going to arrive at matzah zol, they pick up the matzah in order to show the matzah to everybody, and they come and they pass it around. Also, when they say the maror zeh, the same halacha would apply, but when they get, and then they're not going to do so by the Pesach, if you remember, because it's a problem to start saying right about Pesach zeh, and they're going to point to the shank bone. That's going to be a problem, because then it could be that you're making it into a korban. And then when you get to lefichach, you pick up the cup until you're going to finish Kal Yisrael, when you're going to come and you're going to finish drinking the cup. Now he does say here there's the different minagim of the tzach dash ve'achav. According to Shitat Ramah, you're going to come and it's 16 times that you're going to come with your finger and you're going to take out, right, the basically from you with your finger the wine. Other people have different customs exactly how to do it, and he says that the pat should be meguleh during the time of the meguleh, which means that the matzah should be revealed during the time, meaning that the matzah is always revealed unless you're going to come and pick up the cup. So when do you pick up the cup? For example, the fichach or other times as well. Then when you're going to pick up the cup, so then what you do is you cover the matzah in order that you don't have the problem again of the embarrassment. It's just like the kiddush and the hamotzi as well.